Here I have Sony Xperia 10 Plus, and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should scroll down, and under apps and notifications you will find the battery. So it's this icon, and now you can see the detailed usage of your battery, the battery level and estimated battery life, but you can also select power saving mode. So we have two possibilities. It's stamina mode, it's like the first option, and then the second, it's ultra stamina mode. It's for very extreme situations, but let's start with stamina mode, the first one. So let's pick stamina mode, and this mode will restrict device performance and some functions to reduce battery consumption. So if you would like to activate it, just tap on this switcher. You can have either always on, or you can pick auto start. So every time your battery is lower than 15%, stamina mode will be automatically activated and it will extend your battery life. So let's go back. And let's see what's the ultra stamina mode. So as I told you, it's for very extreme situations. So once you need your battery very much and actually the battery is pretty low, it's less than 5%, you can activate it. It will extend battery, but internet will be not active in this mode. We will be able to use just some apps, for example, phone, contacts, messages, camera, album, calendar, clock, radio, settings and music. So as you can see, Wi-Fi or internet will be unavailable, it will be disabled. So if you want to do it, if you want to have this ultra stamina mode activated, the very strict module, just tap on activate. And as you can see, there is a notification, then ultra stamina mode will be activated. It will take a while. Just tap on OK to activate it. You will see that it has completely different display because it is saving your battery. Now you have to tap on OK, allow, and that's it. The display is black and your battery is truly saved, so it can extend your battery pretty much. And now you can use your device without internet included. And if you would like to go back to the previous battery saving mode, or even to just standard mode without stamina mode activated, just open the settings and go to the battery. And now simply by tapping on ultra stamina mode, you can deactivate it by tapping on this switcher. And just confirm it by tapping on OK. You have to wait until ultra stamina mode is deactivated. Your device will restart, and then you will be able to use your device normally or in stamina mode, as only you prefer. And that's it. Now you can use your device normally, or you can switch it to stamina mode. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.